Greetings, Movavi Video Editor Plus is a lightweight, feature-rich video editor. The app is pretty user-friendly, but when it comes down to hotkeys, the number of supported hotkeys is manageable. Based on my analysis, I will make a suggestion which shortcuts would be useful. In the end, I will show you a big shortcoming in Movavi and how to overcome it. So make sure to stay tuned till the end. And last but not least, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to keep the content creator happy. I have already started Movavi Video Editor. This is a list of all hotkeys, as shown in the help dialog. The 20 hotkeys are divided into 3 sections, though there are more shortcuts like Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, which are not listed. For a better comparison, I checked the hotkey definitions of other popular video editing software like Vegas, Premiere, Camtasia, and DaVinci. Ctrl+O is used to add files to the media bin. I guess that's just fine. The same applies to the Ctrl+N hotkey. Movavi uses by default Ctrl+F to open projects. I don't agree with this setting. I don't think this makes any sense. I'd rather change this to Ctrl+P. No issue with the next 3 shortcuts in the project section. Vegas and Camtasia use S. That seems like a better choice. Let's use S instead. Apply Ctrl+B seems weird. Ctrl+D is for cloning clips. I prefer to hold Ctrl and drag a clip, hence the shortcut. It's not relevant to me. The next 3 shortcuts may or may not be altered. Ctrl+E inserts a freeze frame. You can afterwards change the duration of the freeze. I believe Ctrl+F or F is better. As the video is already pretty long, I'll fast forward a bit. Entering full screen mode with Alt-Enter is intuitive. You may want to keep the setting. I suggest changing the hotkeys, next frame and previous frame to cursor right and cursor left. This is the standard setting in DaVinci Resolve. Let's quickly finish this up. So this is our new optimized hotkeys for Movavi Video Editor. From the help menu, select keyword shortcuts. The hotkeys are hard-coded and cannot be changed. If you know how to achieve this, please comment below the video. Now I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Here I've created a simple AutoHotkey script. Let's peek inside. So how does this work? When Movavi is active, pressing Ctrl+P will actually send Ctrl+F. This is the main concept of the script. I have remapped the other hotkeys as well. If you want the script, all you need to do is subscribe and I'll send you the script, or even better, post your own solution below. Let's run the script in the on-screen keyboard. Activate Movavi. Press Ctrl+P on the virtual keyboard. As you can see, Ctrl+F is executed. Let's try another new hotkey. Pressing S splits now the video clip. F seems not to work. We need to select the clip first. Now let's check the cursor left and cursor right. Fantastic, mission accomplished. We have custom hotkeys in Movavi Video Editor. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. See you next time.